Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data from your old phone to your new OPPO A60. To do this, you will need to use an app that is called Clone Phone. We can also find it in the app drawer and it looks like this. Over here we need to select this is the new device, and now depending on which smartphone or which device you used before, you can choose Oppo, Realme or OnePlus if you had one of these. You can choose other Android if you had any other manufacturer, or if you had iPhone, then of course you can select iPhone. In my case, I'm gonna choose other Android. And if you use other Android, then you will need to install the same app on the old device. In order to download it from, but on your old device, then you can go to the Play Store and you can find the app by searching Clone Phone. Once you find the results, you need to find the same app that was created by Color OS, and this is the one. You can see the producer or creator of this app below the title. And of course you will need to install it and then open it on your old device. Once you download it on your old device, you can press scan the QR code to connect to, then press OK. We will need to turn on Wi-Fi in order to use the app. So let's scan the code. There we go. You might need to authorize to grant some permissions. So let's use while using the app. We will need to display over other apps as well. So over here we want to go to Clone Phone, of course, and allow display over other apps. Let's go back, and we are now connecting. Once we are connected, we can select what we want to transfer to your new phone. So you can select contacts, messages, call logs, multimedia files, including photos, videos, music, and documents, as well as apps. And once you select what you want to transfer, then you can press next and then follow the instructions that will be visible on the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.